Welcome to Everly Health, your go-to source for practical tips and trusted guidance on living well with diabetes. Are you tired of starting your day with meals that spike your blood sugar or leave you feeling drained just hours later? Today, we're revealing 10 of the best breakfast options for diabetics. Meals that are not only delicious but also help keep your blood sugar in check. Whether you're newly diagnosed or have been managing diabetes for years, these breakfast ideas will transform your mornings. Make sure to stick around until the end for a smart breakfast tip that could make a huge difference in your energy and glucose levels. Let's dive in. Number 1. Greek yogurt. Greek yogurt is high in protein and low in carbohydrates, making it a great base for a diabetic-friendly breakfast. Add a handful of fresh berries like blueberries, strawberries, or raspberries, all of which are rich in antioxidants and fiber. Top it off with chia seeds for a boost of omega-3s and slow digesting fiber. This combo helps slow the absorption of sugar and keeps you fuller longer. You can prepare it in a mason jar the night before for a quick grab-and-go meal. Number 2. Scrambled eggs. Eggs are a fantastic source of protein and healthy fats. When scrambled with fiber-rich spinach and served with sliced avocado, this breakfast becomes a blood sugar stabilizing powerhouse. The healthy fats in avocado can help improve insulin sensitivity and slow down digestion, giving you long-lasting energy. Avoid using processed meats like bacon or sausage instead. Season with herbs, a pinch of salt, and a squeeze of lemon juice. Number 3. Oatmeal. Oatmeal is a complex carbohydrate with a low glycemic index perfect for diabetics when prepared properly. Use steel-cut or rolled oats rather than instant versions, which often have added sugars. Top your bowl with a sprinkle of cinnamon, known for its blood sugar lowering properties, and crushed walnuts for heart-healthy fats. You'll get a warm, comforting, and balanced breakfast in under 10 minutes. Number 4. Low-carb smoothie. Smoothies can be a hidden sugar bomb unless you make them smartly. Use unsweetened almond milk as the base, then add a scoop of protein powder, half an avocado, a small handful of berries, and a tablespoon of flaxseed. This combo supports stable blood sugar while delivering important nutrients like fiber, protein, and healthy fat. Avoid bananas or fruit juices as they can spike blood glucose rapidly. Number 5. Whole grain avocado toast. Not all toast is off limits for diabetics. Choose whole grain or sprouted bread that's low in carbs and high in fiber. Top it with smashed avocado, a drizzle of olive oil, and a sprinkle of sesame seeds or hemp hearts. Want extra protein? Add a poached egg or some cottage cheese on top. This breakfast is satisfying, balanced, and helps reduce morning sugar cravings. Number 6. Cottage cheese. Cottage cheese is high in protein and low in carbs. Pair it with sliced tomatoes and cucumbers for a refreshing, low glycemic breakfast. You can add some black pepper or herbs like dill or parsley for extra flavor. This quick meal supports muscle repair and energy levels without spiking your blood sugar. Number 7. Chia seed pudding. Chia seed pudding is perfect for meal prep. Just mix 2 tablespoons of chia seeds with unsweetened almond milk and let it sit overnight in the fridge. In the morning, add a few blueberries, a pinch of cinnamon, or some shredded coconut. The result? A creamy, fiber-rich breakfast that's gentle on your blood sugar and super filling. Number 8. Tofu scramble with vegetables. If you're looking for a plant-based option, tofu scramble is an excellent alternative to eggs. Crumble firm tofu and saute it with olive oil, turmeric, garlic, onions, and veggies like zucchini, bell peppers, or kale. This meal is high in protein and fiber, low in carbs, and packed with antioxidants. Perfect for vegetarians or anyone wanting a meatless breakfast. Number 9. Almond flour pancakes. Craving something sweet? Almond flour pancakes are low in carbs and high in protein and healthy fats. Make them with eggs, baking powder, and a touch of cinnamon. Skip the syrup and opt for a dollop of Greek yogurt or a small portion of fresh berries. This is a great weekend breakfast that feels indulgent without the sugar overload. Number 10. Breakfast quinoa bowl. Quinoa isn't just for lunch or dinner, it's a complete protein that works beautifully for breakfast too. Cook quinoa and mix it with almond milk, cinnamon, chopped nuts, and a few pieces of apple or pear. This warm and hearty dish fuels your body and helps regulate blood sugar levels thanks to its fiber and protein content. Smart tip. Here's your smart tip of the day. And trust me, this one can make a big difference in your diabetes management journey. Let's talk about blood sugar balancing in the morning. The way you build your breakfast can determine whether your energy stays steady or crashes by mid-morning. One effective trick is following a PFC rule: protein, fat, and carbs. That means instead of just reaching for toast or cereal, make sure you add a protein like eggs, Greek yogurt, or tofu. Pair it with healthy fats like avocado or almond butter, and stick to complex carbs such as oats, sweet potatoes, or whole grains. This balance slows digestion and leads to a gradual rise in blood sugar, helping you avoid spikes and crashes. Another trick is preloading your stomach with fiber-rich veggies or protein before you eat carbs. It may sound strange to eat spinach or cucumbers first thing in the morning, but studies show that starting your meal this way reduces the glycemic impact of whatever comes next. A small salad before a carb-heavy meal like oats or whole grain bread, it could actually help your glucose stay more stable. And don't underestimate the power of timing. Eating breakfast within 90 minutes of waking helps set your metabolic rhythm. Skipping breakfast or waiting too long can make your body more insulin resistant throughout the day. If you're not a big morning eater, start small. Even a boiled egg or a protein shake can help jumpstart your system. Lastly, meal prepping your breakfast can save both your health and your time. Consider overnight oats with chia seeds, a veggie-packed egg muffin, or even a protein smoothie bag prepped in the freezer. The fewer decisions you need to make in the morning, the more consistent you can be. And consistency is key in diabetes care. Try it for a week. Balanced, intentional breakfasts, and see how your energy, focus, and blood sugar respond. You might be surprised how powerful one simple change can be. If you've made it this far, you're already investing in your health, and that's something to be proud of. We just covered 10 of the best breakfast options for diabetics. Nutrient-dense, balanced meals that are designed to fuel your body, support your blood sugar, and actually taste good. But remember, this is just the beginning. Managing diabetes is not about cutting out everything you love. It's about learning how to enjoy food in a way that supports your well-being. Every step you take, from choosing whole foods over processed ones to staying active and hydrated, brings you closer to better control and a higher quality of life. Start small. One breakfast, one walk, one healthy choice, and build from there. At Everly Health, we believe that knowledge is power. That's why we're committed to sharing practical, evidence-based tips that you can actually use in your daily life. If today's video helped you, give it a like and share it with a friend or family member who might benefit. And don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. We release new videos every week on diabetes-friendly foods, nutrition tips, lifestyle habits, and more. Hit that bell icon so you never miss an update. We'd love to hear from you in the comments. What's your favorite go-to breakfast that keeps your blood sugar in check? Your tips could inspire someone else on their journey. Thank you for watching, take care of your health, and we'll see you in the next video, right here on Everly Health.